Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go through an introduction to HTML Canvas. So HTML Canvas is a way of drawing graphically on the screen, which includes shapes, colors, animations, etc. And here we'll be using Notepad++ to write the code, and we can use other softwares as well, such as Visual Studio Code, etc. So the main tags we'll be using will be HTML, head, and body. Within the head we've got the title tags, and we'll give it a name, for example, Canvas. And we'll start off by drawing the canvas area and the border. So we're going to have the canvas tags here, opening and closing tags. And then we're going to give it an ID to be referred to by JavaScript, my canvas. Next we'll have the width and the height, for example 300, 300. And I'll move this down so we can see the rest of the code. And then we'll have style is equal to, within the style we're going to have border, and the border thickness, for example 1 pixels, solid, and the color 6 zeros. So for here, the style is another way of saying it's CSS. So if we have CSS, we won't be needing style, but if we don't have CSS, then we'll be writing style here in the HTML section. And for the border, so 1 pixels, the bigger the number, obviously the thicker the border. And for solid, we can have something like dashed or etc. And this is another way of saying color, as opposed to RGB or the name. So RGB, we had red, green, blue, like those. And also for the name would be like blue, green, red, direct names. So if we test this out, so we've got the title here, which is set to canvas, and this is the canvas, so the canvas area and the canvas border. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.